As a support manager, it can be difficult to make sure my agents follow up with our customers. Some don't reach out consistently, and then cases stay open too long. Case flags gives me a way to standardize my follow-up processes so cases get reflagged at the right time, helping agents shorten the total time to resolution. To create a follow-up process, define the follow-up time when a case will be reflagged, and set some default text for the next steps. Finally, assign the follow-up for the appropriate aging speeds. How would you use the follow-up process for case flags to improve your service experience?